How to change contacts group name on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app and click on contacts. After click on contacts, scroll down, you will see click on group. If you want to change contact group name, so you will see click on group and click on this three dot icon and click on edit group. If you want to change group name, and click on save, you will see group name is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change contacts group name on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.